Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing two popular CAD options, LibreCAD and NanoCAD. Whether you're a student, professional, or just looking for the best free drafting tool, we've got the breakdown. We tested both software tools to use how they perform in real-world 2D drafting tasks, and here's what we discovered. LibreCAD is lightweight, open source, and completely free. It's great for 2D designs, especially if you're in Linux or just need a no-frills drafting tool. NanoCAD, on the other hand, has a more modern interface and feels closer to AutoCAD. Plus, it supports both free and paid versions with more advanced features like DWG compatibility and automation through scripts. LibreCAD Pros: open source, cross-platform, beginner-friendly. Cons: limited to 2D, fewer updates, no native 3D. NanoCAD Pros: powerful, free version, familiar UI for AutoCAD users, and DWG support. Cons: Windows only, and the full feature set requires a paid license. So which CAD tool is best for you? If you're just starting out or only need simple 2D drafts, LibreCAD does the job with no cost at all. But if you want a more professional experience with better file compatibility, NanoCAD might be worth the investment, even just the free version. What's your go-to software? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest software reviews. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.